Well, do you snore? You could be one of 90 million Americans who do, but don't worry. Here are some lifestyle changes you could make. First, control your weight. Stop eating late at night and consuming alcohol before bedtime. Next, flush out your nasal passages. And lastly, chew sugar-free gum. The older we get, the tissue lining in our throats become lax. So take 20 minutes twice a day chewing gum to exercise those facial muscles.
Interesting.
It is interesting. For more tips to help you stop snoring, head over to our website at WMCActionNews5.com.